Ma'am. 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 Come here.
Don't touch me! Oh!
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Now.
Listen, relax.
Back there and rape you with hard stuff.
Relax. Stop resisting.
Drop the drink. Drop the drink.
I got it.
Stop tensing up.
Tampa International Airport, April 2024. A trespass call escalates into a use of force arrest of a subject in apparent mental distress.
I'm alright right now. Hey, ma'am. How you doing? You okay? Alright, you can't be going through the trash cans here, alright? If you don't have business here, you need to leave, okay? You know how to get over to the bus stop? You know how to get over to the bus stop? Huh? It's time to go, alright?
Right here. This one.
No, I didn't. Guy? No. Let's talk about all
Hey, if you don't have any business here, you need to leave, okay?
So, what are you going to be after all of this?
Okay.
What's your title? And I was like, I'm
Just trying to talk to you.
I was like, I'm being scared. And she goes,
Well, I can't really hear you.
I was like, she literally said, that's it? And I was like, yeah, like that's what I'm going to school for. And she was like, oh, that's great. And she tried to cover it up, and I was just like, this is so fucking awkward now. And it was really uncomfortable because one of Alyssa's good friends.
What's up?
Pay for that.
Yeah.
We just checked in at Spare, right? But there's nobody down there to leave the bag. So what should we do?
To leave the bag, like to check it in?
Well, we checked it. Yeah, I paid to have it checked, like, and I got my boarding passes and everything.
What time's your flight?
5 o'clock. We had to get the rental car back before 1.
5 o'clock in the morning?
I'll give you time to take care of her.
Yeah, you're probably just gonna have to wait till the morning.
I don't want to go over there. That lady's yelling, screaming.
Control 131. If you have one more that can come meet me over here at Sikorsky level 3 and have an AOM start as well, please.
Asses, and you do fucking know that shit.
What's going on? Hey, you need to come talk to me.
I don't talk to your ass. That was like,
You need to come talk to me. Where are you going?
once you choose to ignore him, but he can't hear you, nor did he want to.
Who are you talking to?
Stop holding the damn door.
No, you need to come out here and talk to me.
I'm not gonna talk to you.
Why not?
I don't want to talk to you. I'm talking to you now. I'm telling you to leave me the fuck alone.
I know, but I'm trying to figure out what your business is here at the airport. I'm just trying to help you out. Try to get you where you need to go.
Right now. We want to take this damn way right now. This is y'all way being a fucking bitch. Doors closed.
What do you mean?
Doors closed, motherfucker. Close the damn door.
The door's not going to close because I need you to talk to me.
I'm not coming out there to talk to your butch ass.
Because you need to
Move out
leave.
the fucking way.
You need to leave the airport.
We stand on ground. We don't move.
No, you have no business here at the airport, and you need to leave. Okay, so the airport operations manager is going to come out here, and he's going to issue you a trespass warning. Okay. What's your first name?
None of your business. We're forcing him to.
You don't know what your first name is?
But we don't go back out there because that girl, and that girl, they're all whores, and they want all the whores to stay on this fucking level. But I'm not a fucking whore.
Okay, I set it down somewhere.
You did? Okay, I'll look for it.
Come Come on, we gotta get out of here.
I'm not doing that. And
Why?
you're not going to do that to me.
Do what to you? I'm not gonna do anything to hurt you. I just need to get you somewhere where...
That's Uncle saying be submissive to him. And you don't want to do that. And this officer's going to tell you need to come out or they're going to drag us out. Because they give the people at night only. So we'll walk out.
So we can get this alarm
Don't
to stop,
touch me.
okay? I'm not gonna touch you, but you need to leave the airport, you understand?
I'll bring it back.
Yeah, thank you.
You know Deanna or not?
Nah, she's
20 all day.
very far from cooperative. Yeah. And she had a pair of scissors in her hand, so that's why
Oh, yeah.
she put them back in her backpack, but try to get her over towards the bus stop, but I don't even know if there's a bus running right now.
She called me?
No. When she does, it's not very pleasant. But
I saw. You get a picture of my chance?
haven't captured it yet.
Oh, I got it.
Might be able to get it on the bus or on the train.
I want as much time as we can to look through the folder.
Oh. Control 1-3. Let the OM know that we're moving over towards the stand by. Ma'am, you got to come this way and get on the bus or get on the train. I don't know. She won't give me a name or anything. Well, I told her she needs to leave, so I'm going to trespass her myself, and then if she refuses to make any effort to leave, then she's going to go to jail. Yeah. Ma'am. 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 Come here.
Don't touch me!
Put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting. Now.
Listen, relax.
Back there and rape you with
Relax.
hard stuff.
Relax. Stop resisting.
Drop the drink. Drop the drink.
I got it.
Stop tensing up. Stop tensing up. Relax.
Got it. Control 121 10 Yeah, for Tampa International Airport.
It didn't have to go to that. All you had to do was just talk to us.
I guess we have LTO searcher.
Yeah, that's fine.
We're gonna get her out of here.
Yeah, do any of you guys have a car close by? Or
I'm on red departures.
Alright, we'll go down to Red Departures. You mind getting her stuff?
Yeah.
I'm trying to find
I got
a...
her shoe.
Yeah. Gotta try to find an ID.
They should make it bright yellow, you know?
You said you're on departures, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Under Florida versus Bostick, contact in a transportation hub is not a Fourth Amendment seizure unless the subject is no longer free to walk away. The legal posture shifts when the subject retreats into a non-public area and refuses to leave, supplying articulable suspicion under Terry v. Ohio. Florida Statute Section 810.08 governs trespass in a structure, and an airport terminal qualifies as a structure under the definitions in Section 810.011. The offense becomes a first-degree misdemeanor when the offender defies a personally communicated order to leave from an authorized person. Airport police, acting on written authorization from airport operations, qualify as authorized persons under Section 810.09, with full authority to issue trespass warnings. The officer's recital of the warning was procedurally sound, specifying the 1-year duration and identifying ticketed travel as the only lawful re-entry exception. This precision matters. Florida courts have suppressed trespass charges where the underlying warning was vague, overbroad, or lacked a sunset date. The use of force analysis is governed by Graham v. Connor, requiring objective reasonableness from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene. 3 Graham factors apply. Severity of the crime a misdemeanor, pulling toward restraint. Immediate threat elevated by the witness-reported scissors observation. And active resistance. The subject's tensing up is recognized in officer training as a pre-attack indicator, supporting preventive rather than reactive deployment. The taser deployment sits at the edge of constitutional reasonableness, but the totality of factors places it within Graham's protective range for less lethal force. Tennessee v. Garner concerns about deadly force are not implicated. The post-arrest search is supported by Chimel v. California as incident to lawful custodial arrest. The most consequential omission is the mental health response. Florida's Baker Act, codified at Section 394.463, was available throughout this encounter. The Baker Act authorizes involuntary examination when a person appears mentally ill and likely to suffer self-neglect or cause harm, with a 7-2-hour examination window. The subject exhibited textbook indicators, disorganized speech, paranoid references, retreat to enclosed space. These are crisis intervention team triggers.
I'm 90% sure she's been here before.
She looks familiar.
Yeah.
Probably. Control 131. We've relocated down to red departures.
Got a wallet or something on you?
I think I took the lost and found for you.
Yeah.
See if I can find some ID for her real quick.
Is Andrew going to transport her? She said her wallet's in there.
Okay. Probably.
Alright.
Unless, who's...
That's me, but 2 doesn't have a cage.
Oh, okay. Are you okay to transport conduct? All right.
Hey, let them know that she's being trespassed and you're doing it. So, just to let you know, okay, you're being trespassed today. That's valid for 1 year. The only reason you could be here is if you're flying out. Okay? So if you have official business, you can be here. But you can't just come here to hang out or use the bathroom.
Also being trespassed, and I'm
Okay?
the trespass order right now.
You understand that?
Yeah, fine.
What? You understand that?
I think she said I heard you.
Yes or no? Yes or no? I don't understand mumbling. Do you understand the trespass? Yes or no?
There is no waiting at the curbside. The curbside is for customers who are actively loading their luggage. If your party is not ready for immediate loading, please use the cell phone locks or the airport's 1 hour immediate loading.
I'll go on the other side. I'll
Please use the cell phone locks or the airport's
Don't have a seat
1
here.
hour free parking.
I told her about her trespass.
Good, I got you.
I heard you. So she gets it.
Yep, I'll give it to you as soon as you go in. Just keep your foot out.
You check both shoes.
This one got checked out. Do that.
There is no constitutional command to invoke the Baker Act, but CIT protocols exist for precisely this scenario, and none was visibly summoned on the Bodycam record. The likely charges are trespass after warning under Section 810.08 and resisting without violence under Section 843.02, each carrying up to 365 days in jail. The Tampa Airport police officers earn a grade of B. Verbal direction was clear. The trespass warning was procedurally sound, and force remained within the less lethal tier. The grade is not higher because no CIT-trained officer was visibly summoned, and the comprehension element of the warning was left ambiguous on the record. The subject earns a D+. Conduct itself was legally indefensible, but mental illness context is a meaningful mitigating factor under any honest analysis. Even so, mental illness is not a legal defense to misdemeanor charges of this nature under the Manhattan Standard, which sets a high bar of cognitive incapacity. Tampa International Airport Operations earns an A- for prompt police engagement, with a small mark-off for the absence of an on-site mental health capability. 3 lessons emerge. First, for citizens, airports are restricted property. Public feeling spaces are not legally public spaces, and trespass authority extends through written delegation. Second, for officers, use of force on apparent mental health subjects is constitutionally defensible under Graham, but operationally questionable when alternatives exist. Third, for institutions, recurring contacts with the same subject signal a system failure that no individual arrest can solve. The criminal justice system is the wrong tool here. Let us know your honest thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more content.